I want my robot vacuum to grow legs and climb up and down the stairs. And hey, while it's climbing up and down the stairs, I want it to vacuum those stairs. Well, Roborock has finally at least built and shown the prototype of this, the Roborock Saros Rover. And here it is at CES, along with all their other things. Yes, on a set of stairs, but there you can see it. It has legs, and it's supposed to go up and down the stairs. Now, they haven't announced a release date or a price, though I'm sure one will be far off and one will be high. But that's okay. That's kind of how it works, right? With new tech. And when you get something new, you kind of live on the bleeding edge and you pay for that. And then slowly the market catches up, and all of them do this. So the future is almost here at CES 2026. So make sure you subscribe to our CES 2026 playlist so that you don't miss out anything, and also subscribe to the Mac Geek Gab channel in general, because that's great. And of course, none of this coverage that we're doing on our Mac Geek Gab CES 2026 playlist would be possible without our CES 2026 coverage sponsors. So our great big thanks to them. Stay subscribed. Don't get caught. Have fun. We'll see you on the next video.